As a member of the Mineral Products Association, we at Singleton Birch are ensuring that we are working towards zero harm in our industry. One particular incident down on our primary crushing setup caused us to refocus on our safe isolation procedure. The task to be undertaken was to replace the picks. Procedures were followed, risk assessments were undertaken, permitted work system was implemented. Every one of the persons working on the task locked off with their individual personnel locks. The next step in the isolation procedure was to check to see if the crusher started. A plant operator went to the local start button, pressed it, and the crusher started. The cause of the incident was found to be a faulty isolator.
We found that the contacts internally had welded, and upon further inspection and investigation, over time the shaft, the driven from the handle, had twisted, and it hadn't fully withdrawn some moderately welded in contacts. The isolator that you see behind us is one which we designed as a specialised piece of equipment which actually gives us positive indication, and that is actually a fail-safe system. There's a mechanical flag driven off the shaft which actually opens your contacts in each pole, so it does confirm that you've made that correct isolation. Okay, just to point out a few features internally which we've had developed is obviously the flag mechanism, which is directly driven off the main shaft of the switch. So we now know that that's fail-safe. It can never actually tell us that it's on or if it's off if it's not. We've incorporated the early brake auxiliaries from a control point of view. We've beefed up the main switching shaft. You know, in the past we've had these been bent and twisted, and these are much bulkier now, so they do engage with the switching mechanism. Having the positive indication externally to the switch has obviously filled us with a lot more confidence that we're not going to have any incidents like we've had in the past.
We at Singleton Birch now believe that by the installation of conforming isolators, it will make our isolation procedure more robust and safer.